Welcome back to the kitchen, you lot. Have you piled on the pounds after the holidays, feeling like a bloated Christmas pudding? Listen up, because we're about to whip you into shape with some bloody delicious vegan recipes. Forget those sad, limp salads. We're talking about vibrant, flavorful dishes packed with plant-based goodness that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied, not deprived. We're going to prove that vegan food can be exciting, delicious, and yes, even help you shed those extra pounds. Over the next few videos, we'll be exploring 10 healthy vegan recipes specifically designed for weight loss. Each dish is packed with nutrients, fiber, and protein, keeping you fuller for longer and curbing those cravings. And don't worry, we'll be throwing in some fun facts along the way to keep things interesting. So ditch the takeaways, put down the processed junk, and join me in the kitchen. We're about to embark on a culinary journey that will transform your body and tantalize your taste buds. Right, you lot, are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey? First up, we're tackling a dish that's as nutritious as it is delicious: quinoa salad. Now, I know what you're thinking, quinoa, that bland, boring birdseed. Get that thought out of your head right now. Quinoa, my friends, is a nutritional powerhouse, a complete protein even. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but struggles to produce on its own. It's also packed with fiber, iron, and magnesium, making it a fantastically healthy and filling meal option. And don't even get me started on its versatility. You can enjoy it hot or cold as a side dish or a main course. We'll be creating a vibrant salad bursting with fresh veggies, herbs, and a zesty lemon dressing that will blow your bloody mind. So grab your aprons and let's show these ingredients who's boss. We're going to turn this humble grain into a culinary masterpiece. Next up, we're diving into a hearty and flavorful chickpea stew that will warm you from the inside out. Don't turn your nose up at it. This isn't your grandma's bland, mushy stew. We're packing it with flavor and spice that will have you licking the bowl clean. Now, chickpeas, or garbanzo beans as some call them, are an excellent source of fiber. And no, I'm not talking about the boring kind that sends you running to the loo. We're talking about the good kind of fiber that keeps you feeling full and satisfied, aids digestion, and keeps those bowels moving like a well-oiled machine. Did you know that just 1 cup of these little beauties provides over half of your daily fiber needs? That's right, they're nutritional powerhouses disguised in a tiny, unassuming package. And don't even get me started on their versatility. So ditch those processed, fiber-deficient meals and let's get cooking with these magical legumes. Trust me, your gut will thank you for it. Avocado toast. You've heard of it, you've seen it on Instagram, but let me tell you, you haven't truly lived until you've had it my way. This isn't just any ordinary avocado toast. It's a culinary experience that will elevate your breakfast game to a whole new level. We're talking about taking a humble piece of toast and turning it into a flavor explosion that'll send those taste buds on a one-way trip to Flavor Town. First off, the bread. The foundation of any great toast is the bread you choose. None of that sugary white nonsense. We're going whole grain, something with a bit of texture, something that can stand up to the star of the show, the avocado. Whole grain bread not only adds a nutty flavor, but also provides essential nutrients and fiber. And don't even think about using an avocado that's harder than a brick. The key to perfect avocado toast is using a ripe avocado. We want that creamy, buttery goodness that just melts in your mouth. When you cut into a ripe avocado, it should be soft but not mushy, with a vibrant green color. Now here's where things get interesting. A sprinkle of chili flakes for some kick, a squeeze of lime for that citrusy zing, and a pinch of salt and pepper to bring it all home. These simple additions elevate the flavors and add a delightful contrast to the creamy avocado. It's simple, it's fresh, and it's packed with healthy fats that'll keep you feeling fuller for longer. Avocado toast is not just a trend, it's a nutritious and satisfying meal that can be enjoyed any time of the day. And here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that avocados are technically a fruit? Yeah, a fruit that's loaded with more potassium than a banana. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting muscle function, so ditch the sugary snacks and grab yourself an avocado. Not only are avocados delicious, but they are also incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. You can thank me later. So next time you're looking for a quick, healthy and delicious meal, remember this avocado toast recipe. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. And if you want to take it up a notch, try adding a poached egg on top. The runny yolk adds an extra layer of richness and makes the toast even more satisfying. Or how about some smoked salmon? The smoky flavor pairs perfectly with the creamy avocado and adds a touch of elegance to your toast. You can also add cherry tomatoes and feta cheese for a burst of freshness and tanginess. The possibilities are endless. For a more gourmet touch, top your avocado toast with microgreens and thinly sliced radishes. The crunch and peppery flavor of the radishes complement the creamy avocado beautifully. And if you like it spicy, don't forget to drizzle some hot sauce on top. It adds a fiery kick that will wake up your taste buds. The beauty of avocado toast is that you can customize it to your liking. Whether you prefer it simple or loaded with toppings, it's always a delicious and nutritious choice. Pair it with a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage, and you've got yourself a perfect meal to start your day or enjoy as a snack. You can also serve it with a side of fresh fruit for a well-rounded and balanced meal. Or blend up a smoothie to go along with your avocado toast for an extra boost of vitamins and nutrients. No matter how you choose to enjoy it, avocado toast is a delicious and healthy option that never disappoints. So go ahead, get creative, and make your own perfect avocado toast. Your taste buds will thank you, and you'll feel great knowing you're fueling your body with wholesome ingredients. Avocado toast is more than just a trend. It's a versatile and nutritious meal that can be enjoyed in countless ways. So next time you're in the kitchen, give this recipe a try and discover your new favorite way to enjoy avocado toast. Trust me, once you try it, you'll be hooked. Happy toasting. Lentil soup, a dish that has been cherished across cultures and generations, bringing warmth and comfort to countless homes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lentil soup? Really? Is it worth all the hype? Sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, right? But hold on, don't judge a book by its cover just yet. But listen up, you lot, because I'm about to turn that frown upside down. Lentil soup is about to become your new favorite comfort food. We're not talking about some bland beige mush here. We're diving into a world of vibrant colors and tantalizing aromas. We're talking about a flavor-packed, soul-warming bowl of goodness that'll have you licking the bowl clean. Imagine a spoonful of rich, hearty soup that dances on your taste buds. Lentils, my friends, are a culinary chameleon. They come in various types: green, brown, red, and even black, each bringing its own unique texture and flavor to the table. They soak up flavors like a sponge, which means the possibilities are endless. Whether you're in the mood for something spicy, tangy, or savory, lentils have got you covered. We're talking about a rich, aromatic broth, simmered to perfection with onions, garlic, and a touch of spice. The base of any great lentil soup starts with these humble ingredients. Throw in some diced tomatoes for a bit of sweetness and acidity, and a handful of fresh herbs for that final flourish. The tomatoes add a beautiful depth of flavor, while the herbs bring a fresh, vibrant note. And here's a fun fact for you. Lentils have been a staple in diets around the world for thousands of years. Did you know that lentils are an excellent source of protein and fiber? That's right, these tiny legumes pack a powerful nutritional punch. That's right, they'll keep you feeling fuller for longer, which means you can say goodbye to those midday cravings. No more reaching for unhealthy snacks when you have a bowl of lentil soup to keep you satisfied. So ditch the processed crap and grab yourself a bowl of lentil soup. It's time to embrace a healthier, more flavorful way of eating. Head to your local market and pick up some fresh vegetables. The beauty of lentil soup is that you can customize it to your liking. Add in your favorite veggies, whether it's carrots, celery, or even some leafy greens. Chop them up and toss them into the pot. The more colorful, the better. Not only will it make your soup look more appealing, but it will also boost its nutritional value. Don't forget to season your soup well. A pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and maybe even a sprinkle of your favorite spices. This is where you can get creative and make the soup truly your own. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. The goal is to create a balanced, flavorful soup that makes you smile with every spoonful. And the best part? Lentil soup is perfect for sharing. Gather your family or friends around the table and enjoy a hearty, wholesome meal together. It's a dish that brings people closer, one bowl at a time, plus it stores well. Make a big batch and save the leftovers for later. Just reheat and enjoy. It's a convenient and delicious option for busy days. So the next time you're looking for a meal that's both nutritious and satisfying, remember lentil soup. It's more than just a humble bowl of soup. It's a celebration of flavors, nutrition, and togetherness. Lentil soup. Simple yet extraordinary. Give it a try and let it warm your soul. Zucchini noodles. Now, let's dive into the world of these delightful green spirals. I know what you're thinking. Zucchini noodles sounds like something you'd find on the menu of a health food cult. But hold your horses, because there's more to these green wonders than meets the eye. I'm about to turn that skepticism into pure, unadulterated excitement. We're not talking about replacing your beloved pasta entirely. We're talking about adding a bit of variety, a touch of lightness, a dash of, dare I say it, sophistication to your plate. Imagine a dish that combines the heartiness of traditional pasta with the refreshing crunch of fresh vegetables. Zucchini noodles, or zoodles as the cool kids call them, are a revelation. They're light, they're refreshing, and they're a fantastic way to sneak in some extra veggies. Now listen carefully, because this is where the magic happens. This is crucial. We're not going to boil these noodles to death. We want them to retain a bit of bite, a bit of texture, a bit of, dare I say it, personality. Overcooking them would be a culinary crime. Instead, a quick saute is all they need to become the star of your meal. And here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that zucchini is incredibly low in calories? That's right, you can practically eat a whole mountain of these noodles without feeling guilty. But that's not all. Zucchini is also packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Imagine indulging in a big bowl of noodles and knowing you're doing something good for your body. It's a win-win situation. Plus, zucchini noodles are incredibly versatile. You can pair them with a variety of sauces, from a simple garlic and olive oil dressing to a rich and creamy Alfredo. The possibilities are endless, and let's not forget about the fun factor. Spiralizing zucchini is an enjoyable activity that can involve the whole family. Kids love watching the transformation from a plain vegetable to a pile of curly noodles. It's a great way to get them excited about eating their greens. So the next time you're in the mood for something different, give zucchini noodles a try. They're not just a healthy alternative, they're a delicious addition to your culinary repertoire. Whether you're looking to cut down on carbs, add more vegetables to your diet, or simply try something new, zoodles are the way to go. And remember, it's not about replacing your favorite pasta dishes, but enhancing them. Mix zucchini noodles with your regular pasta for a delightful combination of textures and flavors. You'll be surprised at how well they complement each other. In conclusion, zucchini noodles are more than just a trend. They're a versatile, nutritious, and delicious option that can elevate your meals to a whole new level. So go ahead, grab that spiralizer and start creating your own zucchini noodle masterpieces. Your taste buds will thank you. Happy cooking and enjoy your zoodles. Tofu, you lot. Some of you think it's bland, boring, a bloody kitchen nightmare. But listen up, you donkey. Tofu's a blank canvas, ready to soak up any flavor you throw at it. It's like the bloody chameleon of the protein world. We're going to turn this tofu into a taste sensation, a flavor explosion that'll have you shouting for seconds. We're talking vibrant veggies, a fiery sauce, and tofu that's got a crispy exterior and a tender heart. You're going to want to pay attention to this one. This stir-fry is packed with nutrients and protein thanks to the tofu. It's a complete protein, you see, meaning it's got all 9 essential amino acids. And don't even get me started on the antioxidants and the ions. So, ditch your preconceived notions about tofu, you muppets. Get ready to learn how to transform this humble ingredient into a dish that's worthy of a Michelin star, or at least a spot on your dinner table. Right, you lot, put down the greasy takeaway menus and listen up. We're about to revolutionize burger night with a plant-based patty that's bursting with flavor and good for you. Forget those dry, tasteless veggie burgers you've had before. This black bean burger is in a league of its own. Black beans, you see, they're nutritional powerhouses. Packed with protein, fiber and iron, they'll keep you fuller for longer and give you the energy you need to conquer your day. And did you know just 1 cup of these beauties contains a whopping 15 grams of protein? That's more than a bloody egg. We're talking about a burger that's not only good for your body, but also good for the planet. Sustainable, delicious, and packed with flavor. It's enough to make a grown man cry. So ditch the meat sweats and get ready to indulge in a burger that's as good for your conscience as it is for your taste buds. Let's get cooking! All right, you lot, are you tired of feeling bloated and sluggish after a carb-heavy meal? I know I am. That's why we're ditching the starchy white rice and embracing a healthier, lighter alternative. Cauliflower rice? Don't turn your noses up just yet. You hear me? This ain't your grandma's boiled cauliflower. We're going to transform this humble vegetable into a culinary masterpiece, a low-carb, gluten-free base that's bursting with flavor and versatility. Cauliflower is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. And did you know it's also a fantastic source of fiber? That's right, this unassuming vegetable can actually help you lose weight. So ditch the carb coma and get ready to experience the magic of cauliflower rice. All right, you lot, who's ready for a side dish that's not going to leave you feeling like a bloated walrus? Forget those greasy, limp chips you get from the takeaway. We're talking sweet potato fries, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and packed with vitamins. We're ditching the deep fryer and tossing these bad boys in a touch of olive oil and spices. Paprika, cumin, a pinch of cayenne if you can handle the heat. We're talking flavor explosions, not flavored disasters. And don't even get me started on the nutritional benefits. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamin A, crucial for healthy vision, and they're a good source of fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer. No more snacking on crisps 5 minutes after your meal. This is how we elevate a humble side dish to Michelin star standards. Now get those potatoes prepped and let's get cooking. All right, you Muppets, let's talk about breakfast. Skip the sugary cereals and processed garbage. We're kicking off the day with a green smoothie that'll cleanse your system and leave you feeling energized. This isn't some frou-frou health fad. This is a powerhouse of nutrients that'll kickstart your metabolism and set you up for a successful day. We're talking leafy greens packed with vitamins and antioxidants, blended with fruits for natural sweetness. And the best part? You can customize this bad boy to your liking. Spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, whatever greens you've got wilting in the fridge, chuck them in. Add a handful of berries, a squeeze of lemon, a knob of ginger for a bit of zing. This is your chance to get creative, to experiment with flavors, and to start your day with a nutritional bang. There you have it, you lot. 10 healthy, delicious, and easy-to-follow vegan recipes that'll help you shed those extra pounds and feel like £1,000,000. We've tackled everything from hearty stews to refreshing smoothies, proving that healthy eating doesn't have to be bland and boring. Remember, this is about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle, not about starving yourself or following some fad diet. These recipes are packed with nutrients, fiber, and flavor, designed to keep you feeling full and satisfied. So what are you waiting for? Get in the kitchen, get creative, and start cooking up a storm. And don't forget to share your culinary masterpieces with me in the comments below. Now, subscribe to the channel for more delicious and healthy recipe ideas. Let's get cooking.